Real quick before we go in for the night and find something to eat for dinner, I want to show you what we're working with here. Check it out. This is 26-foot towing a car trailer. So we got the GTI up on the trailer, and yeah, just kind of came across those mountains over there, looking at a storm rolling in. So not gonna be out super late, but it is pretty beautiful out here. A really nice day. It's only like 65 degrees out here in the mountains, so doing pretty well. We'll talk to y'all later. The U-Haul all opened up. Looks like most things are intact. Day 2 in the books. That's about 13-14 hours of driving, and we're solid. Everybody, me again. All right, wanted to give you the update, I promised, and it's been a couple days. Kind of forgot, got busy, whatever. I'm out in the garage. The truck is unloaded. Everything is in here so that we can go turn it in. So let me flip this around, show you where we are. All right, so this is kind of the garage space. Back there is sort of a built-in workshop kind of area. I'm not sure what was happening back there, but I don't plan to use it. Everything's gonna be in the basement, which we will get to pretty soon. But you can see I've got just printers strewn about, toolbox, and big guy here, workbench over here. So I need to get this thing downstairs. I need to get that downstairs, and then all of these printers downstairs. Some of them very easy, others not so much, but you know, all your favorites here, no big deal. So I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you what the basement looks like, and you'll get to see the new streaming setup. Well, here we are in the basement. Lighting is okay. It's not terrible in here, but it definitely is not good enough to really look good on camera, so I'm not sure that YouTube will like it very much, but I've got a fix for that. I got some extra lights that I picked up at the Menards today, and hopefully that's gonna be enough. These are the shelving racks that I normally use for all of my printers. The only thing I did is take 2 of them, remove one of the shelves and put it in the middle, so now I have essentially 3 separate areas to put printers, and then there's even room up top for storage. There were these inbuilt shelves here. I just need to move all of this paint and extra stuff to the other side, which we'll check out here in a second. And that'll free up all this for, you know, additional parts and pieces, frame kits, hardware, that kind of stuff. But I'll give you guys the quick tour. So behind here, that's where the stairs come down, but just kind of on the other side of this is completely open space. And that's the other shelving area I was talking about. A little darker on this side, but we've got all the HVAC over here, so I couldn't really set up the stream on this side because I was worried about the sound coming from the HVAC. But more storage over there for parts and pieces for the house. So I'm just gonna relocate that paint and filters and salt and things like that we need. But it's just a really big space. And so if we come back around, you know, this is where we come down the stairs and then right back into the space. The only problem that I'm still trying to figure out is what to do about power. Legit, there's no outlets over here whatsoever, so any printers that I have are not going to be able to run on power. There's literally one outlet down here. It's this guy on this side of the wall, which is not the greatest side for streaming and filming and things. And so number 1 is dark. Number 2, there's only the one outlet, and then the noise doesn't really work out well. So over here is much improved, but no power. So I don't know, guys. What should we do? I'll take your suggestions. What should we do? Obviously, I'm renting this place, so I can't do crazy mods, but we got to figure out something. Leave your thoughts in the comments.